Hi guys, today we will review Vista Aura Musk air freshener. I have ordered this product from Amazon. The best buy link to order this freshener is given in the description. The fragrance box is made up of plastic and the seal is made up of metal. The MRP of this fragrance is Rs 199. But I have ordered this product for Rs 99 only. The seal opener is not good, due to which the seal could not be opened completely. This is also good because the semi-open can enhances the life of the car freshener. There is some watery substance on top, but the freshener is a semi-solid gel. The fragrance is extremely nice and attractive. It has a good musky tone which enhances the ambience of the car or home. This product may last for nearly 40 to 50 days in car when it's not kept directly under sunlight. This is a good fragrance product for car, which you should definitely try once according to me. After which I'm sure you will order it again. Thank you for watching. New product review video will be uploaded in next couple of days. Until then, keep rocking.